Okay, continue. I have two things on the table. It is made of plastic. It is used for eating. Okay, used for eating made of plastic. So which one? Okay, you boys describe it please.
It is flat. It is dull. I just so eating.
Okay, next one. There are two things on the table. It used for reading and writing. It is the thicker one. The thicker one. Okay, that's good. That's good. Next, it is. It is the smallest thing. It is used for erasing or removing the mistake. What is it?
Eraser.
That's good. Move to the question that I want to ask. Guys, do you still remember how do you say apologize? How to say apologize?
I'm sorry.
Okay, good. Next, mention four destination in Pangandaran. Four destination in Pangandaran. Four.
Batu Karas Beach, Batu Hiu Beach, Madasari Beach, Citemang River.
That's good. Next, mention three informal occasion from our material invitation. Informal. Okay, shoot.
Meeting,
Informal. That one is formal.
meeting,
That is formal occasion. I want the informal one.
garden party,
Yes. What else? I want three.
birthday, happy birthday,
Okay. One more.
uh, housewarming.
Housewarming. Okay. That's all for the speaking games, guys. Thank you for coming in. Bye.